Hello everyone and welcome back to the Level Up Queens podcast. I am Purnima and I'm thrilled to embark you on this journey. In today's episode we are going to tackle self-doubt. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि ये चीज करनी है, वो करना है, बट ना शायद से ना मुझे नहीं आएगा, नहीं तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. मैं इससे पूछती हूँ कि whether this person thinks that I'm capable enough to do this thing. कितनी बार ऐसे होता है, we are constantly thinking what will go wrong. हम ऐसे कभी नहीं सोचते कि what if things work in my favor, what if I succeed. We won't think that. We will think कि हम fail कैसे होंगे, and we would be giving hundreds of different reasons to ourselves. और अब तक तो हमने शुरू भी नहीं की वो चीज, but already we decide that we are a failure. हमें बचपन से ऐसे ही सिखाया गया था, हमें बचपन से हमारे मार्क्स के हिसाब से हमें जज किया गया था. We were always told we are not good enough. We were always told कि कुछ तो कमी है तुझ में. See at this person, see at that person, they are perfect. But about you? And this stays. What we have seen, what we have learned in a childhood, it stays with us. Unless and until we decide to change our perspective on it. Now I would be asking you in favor, close your eyes. I'm watching, close your eyes. Imagine a lion. Now imagine a brown lion. Now you can open your eyes. We are able to imagine whatever we tell our minds to imagine. In the same manner, our brain stores information. From childhood, it had been storing information. It had been storing data. And when we don't give data, it focuses on the backup storage, which it already had. So if in childhood someone told you, "Kya re tere ko nahi aayega, tere ko nahi jamega, cycle nahi jamega, car driving nahi jamega, tere ko traveling nahi jamega." If someone said that, and as you were not having enough evidence to support your statement, support your actions, you believed what this person saying is right. But what if you had enough evidence to prove them wrong? You would have believed otherwise. If someone would have told you that you cannot achieve this thing or do this thing, but if you would have had enough evidence that मेरे को तो आता है ये बात करने के लिए, मेरे को तो ये चीज करने के लिए आता है, then you would have been able to do it. That means the only thing that is missing is enough evidence. If you are afraid of public speaking, that means you will require more evidence that would prove that you are capable enough to stand on stage and speak. And yes, in your mind you can constantly think about it, but it won't work unless and until you take action. If you don't take actions, our mind won't believe it. You can tell it a certain thing, but it would find it very difficult to believe unless and until you give it a proof. Because mind is very logical, so it requires proofs. As per our previous example, if you struggle with public speaking, but then you give enough evidence to your mind that, oh, you can stand on stage, or you can speak on stage, if you give more and more evidence to your mind, you can achieve that thing. So all these limiting things, that just comes from the outer world, because there are people who do not believe in themselves. If a person who is believing in his or her abilities, that person won't be judging or passing statements or glare on someone else. Only the people with limited mindsets would make you feel terrible about yourself. And if you are having this kind of person in your inner circle or in anywhere, it's not your problem, it's their problem. You should be pitying them because they are living their life so small. But we are here to go out of the boxes. We are meant to make something. We are meant to be written in history. And you doubting yourself just because these things few people here and there said. Why? I mean, why please? When you were born, you were a child, you were very happy, crawling, trying to stand up, then falling, then once again trying to stand up. You were really beautiful, honey. But this world told you at times that you were not capable. Maybe in school they did not have enough medals. That's why they told you that you don't deserve this. Or maybe in your home, your parents were not capable enough to take care of you. That's why they made you feel that there is something wrong with you. You were meant to be precious, and you doubting yourself right now, honey. After a few years, you would be regretting. The people you cared about will take you nowhere. They would be still having that small mindset. But if you feel there is an urge for you to do something big, something that is awaiting for you, you cannot waste your time self-doubting. You can't waste your time for all those people who did not care for you, who don't respect you enough. You cannot. And it's better to take the actions right now than to regret after a few years. You can imagine whatever you want. And if you believe you can have something, you will have it. But if you are doubting yourself, you would not be able to achieve what you are aiming for. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I will fail. What if people say that I'm not appropriate? I'm not best. Yes, there are lots of things people can say, you can say about yourself, but is it taking you anywhere? If you are going after your dream for whatever you want, Why do you have to worry about what everyone else will think? Just remember one thing, that the person who have achieved big and great in their life, they won't be coming and judging you. Only the people who had not achieved, who do not believe themselves, has issues, are the kind of people who will come and judge you, who would make you feel that you are not good enough, because they believe that they are not good enough and they cannot see you succeed in your life. Because how can that be possible? When they are so miserable, they don't want you to go and achieve what you are capable of. That's why they're going to make you feel that you cannot achieve. They are just smoothing their egos. By keeping you low, they think that they will go high. They will reach higher things in their life. But honey, when a person thinks you are their competition, you are already winning. A person who is above you won't be thinking like, oh my god, this is my competition. No, the person who is below you, or in their head they think they are below you, would think that you are a competition, and they would do everything to make you feel terrible about yourself, and you will start self-doubting. That means you would fall back. They will rise up. Do you want that? We are here, the masters of our destiny. We decide what we want. We are the queens. We don't give that much importance. I was thinking like, how can someone be so bad or rude to me? I used to think that. But then I started to think, if my life's purpose is to achieve something big, to crave something big, I would go for it. But if someone's life purpose is to create obstacles for me, let them be. And it is what is called life. Every person is not going to uplift you. But most importantly, the one person who should always be on your side is you. No matter what the world thinks, no matter how many people come and tell you that you cannot achieve it, but you should be so strong, so capable enough that you know you have the power to go after what you want. Maybe you won't achieve it, and maybe that wasn't the thing meant for you. Maybe something else is meant for you. But how would you know if you're so doubting yourself before taking each and every step? People often say that play it safe. But the biggest actors, filmmakers, achievers in this world have not played it safe. If they would have planned to play it safe, they would have not stand out in the crowd. Your life is meant to be precious. Your life is meant to be big. And if you're watching this video, it's a life proof. You want to develop yourself, and you were not born with this belief that you are incapable. You were not born incapable. People's mind were incapable. People's strengths were incapable. People's speaking skills were incapable. That started to make you feel that you are incapable. But you were always enough. You were always capable, and you can achieve anything and everything that you want. And why do you want to play it safe? I mean, when we would be old and there won't be strength in our bones, what stories we will tell our grandchildren? What legacy we will leave? That okay, we came to life, yeah, we played it safe, yeah, we did the job, we're dying, yeah, easy life, yeah, good, bye. Like that? So boring. Why do we want a small life? When I say a small life, I do not mean a simple life. I mean a life where we are very reserved of our thinking, of our thoughts, and we do not go for what we want, for what our heart craves. And there would be regrets at the end, and that time we would be trying to convince ourselves with something or the other, but that won't work, and we would be old. Why do you want to live a life in a box when you are so capable of achieving everything that you want, everything that you ever imagined of? You can go and achieve that only if you believe that you can. Right now, instead of going after your dreams, you're wasting your time thinking about what will they say, and you are afraid of taking actions. But truth is, people are going to die. So it does not really matter that what actions we take now, because after all, we are going to die. Yeah. Why do you want to close yourself up in a box when you still are so alive? Go after what you want. I know you are capable enough. You have that thing which requires to be successful. So go. Achieve what success means to you. Achieve the definition of success which is right for you. And only solution for self-doubt is take actions. Go after what you want. After we achieve all these big things in our life, we would be looking back and think like, really? I was self-doubting about it when I am so good at it. There is a possibility, what if things go wrong? There is also a possibility, what if things go right? It's a 50-50 chance. And when we try, it will take us somewhere. And going somewhere is much better than going nowhere in your life. Queens, I hope you feel motivated. Remember, you're capable, you're worthy, and you have the power to create the life you desire. Until next time, keep leveling up. Bye.